Walaikum Assalam.
Pulsirat ki.
He wants to know what is Pulsirat.
Pulsirat.
Yeah.
Pulsirat is something which is difficult for you to understand, but it is described as a metaphor. Have you ever seen people who go across a thin rope balancing themselves? Have you seen that? Sometimes they fall on the right side, sometimes on the left side, if they do fall. So it is said about Pulsirat that everyone will have to pass a very thin rope-like thing and without a balancing rod, just to walk across. If he falls on the right side, there will be heaven. If he falls on the left side, there will be hell. And that is how people will be judged. But in reality, the Pulsirat is something which we daily experience. Every time we make decisions about this and that, right or wrong. So we always make decisions either in the right direction or the wrong direction. So our destiny is made and carved because of so many daily decisions we make. Should we do this thing or that thing, this thing or that thing? Right from the time you wake up, you keep on making such decisions. You understand? So this is the Pulsirat which we make ourselves. But I will tell you, because you are a child, you may like to hear a joke about a Pulsirat. The ordinary people are told by mullahs that there would be a real Pulsirat, like this wire caught between two ends, and you have to walk over it, and it is a great crisis, it's a great trial for everybody. So once he delivered a sermon in a village and scared everybody so much that they were trembling. What will you do to Pulsirat? So one poor farmer got up and said, "Could you do something for me? I'm so much scared, please." Fortunately for the Maulvi, he had a very big she buffalo, we call bhans, and it was a beautiful buffalo. It gave 20 seers of milk. So Maulvi Sahib said, "No problem. You bring that buffalo along with me. Bring your buffalo with me, with yourself, and come behind me. And go to my village and bind this buffalo there. So I'll help you on the Pulsirat. Don't you worry, I'll take you along." Now poor fellow didn't ask him, "Shall we die together?" And how could you help me there? But anyway, he was a very simple man, So he said, "All right, I'll do it." So they both started walking towards the village of the mullah. On the way, there was a small channel of water. And he said, the zamindar said, "It's a small channel, you can jump." But Maulvi was too fat. So he fell halfway into the water. So the villager said, "Oh mullah, you can't cross this small channel. How will you cross that great channel? So I'm taking my sheep buffalo back with me. Go and face your Pulsirat yourself." See? So this is Pulsirat. That story empty. Where is our singer friend?
today Zubair and Khalik bhai, they are sick, both of them.
Sick?
Ji.
Sick of this class?
They got fever, I think fever or flu.
Oh,
Both of them.
all right.
Okay. Today, should I translate Huzur?
Oh, I'm sorry.